Hi guys, so I just wanted to show you the Jimmy Reverse Osmosis Water Purifier. So it's tabletop, countertop, very convenient, and I'll be reviewing that today. So in our next segment, I will go over everything with you. I'm really excited about this. I brought this to my job because we don't have a sink in the break room and we use a lot of plastic water bottles. So I want to reduce that as well. So let's get started. So as you can see, I have everything out. The Jimmy Reverse Osmosis Water Purifier goes on the countertop. It plugs in, so very easy. It comes with a paper instruction manual, but on top of the lid, it also has a QR code, which makes it convenient if you lose that paperwork. It also comes with 2 water containers, as you can see, which is really nice. You can use to pour into your cup. And it has this handy dandy lever that when you push down, it lets water out. This is what you put your water in, and I thought this was a neat addition. You can use this handle to pick it up and then simply just slide it on in place, and then the top will go on top of that. So that's what it will look like. It does say it has a heating function as well. So when I looked in on top here and at the instruction, those are actually what you would replace the water filters. So it's water filter 1, 2, and 3. So I have plugged it in so the display is lit up. On your display, you're going to notice there's a current water temperature reader. So it tells you how hot or cold it is. Then these right here, 1, 2, and 3, that's actually what I was explaining at the top there. So it tells you when the levels are low enough that you need to change that out. Right now it's blinking because it's showing there's no water flowing. And then on your below area here, those are heat degrees that you can set it to. And then on this area here in the blue, those are actually levels of water that you can put it up to. So I have this out and I'm going to put it in. And there's a light that has lit up. So every time you put that in there, it will automatically start filling. But it does have a stopping point. It won't overflow. Now that just sends you just regular purified water. It doesn't heat up that water. It just fills it up so you can have a nice glass of water. You can put ice in. It does not auto freeze it or make it colder. It just keeps it whatever the room temp is, which seems to be 73 degrees each time I've tried this. So it's filling. It is getting higher. I'm actually just really excited because I don't like using water bottles, single-use plastics. I'm not really a fan. This red cup is something that we also use on the regular, so I do rewash that, but you can put your own glassware at home in there. I'm just going to push this lever right here so you can see that it will, once you push on that, it will tell you that you can press one of these options. So I'm going to pick the 90 and I'm just going to push on that. So it's dual. It does both at once, so that's pretty cool. So you don't have to wait for that to be done filling in order to get a drink of water. Now let's try something else here. Let's see if we can push the 150 degrees Fahrenheit and click on that. And I'm just gonna, don't do this, but I'm just gonna put my finger in there. It is warm. That's definitely hot. Okay, so that works. Awesome. Coffee, tea, hot cocoa. Shoot, you could even do a cup of noodle. I love it. I'm super excited about this. All right, guys. It's the Jimmy Reverse Osmosis Water Purifying Tabletop Dispenser. Feel free to purchase this. There's a link down below, and I strongly suggest you buy the Jimmy. Awesome. Thanks, guys.